Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My today's topic is cell organelles for class 9th biology. Cell organelles. A cell has to perform different functions with the help of its various membrane-bound organelles. जो सेल में डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनलीज पाए जाते हैं वो परफॉर्म करते हैं डिफरेंट फंक्शंस जैसे इट हैज टू सिंथेसाइज सब्सटेंसेस फॉर एग्जांपल प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस बाय राइबोसोम्स photosynthesis of food by chloroplasts. It has to secrete a cell products, for example enzymes, hormones, etc. It has to digest those substances which are taken up by the cell during endocytosis. Such intracellular digestion is done by enzymes of lysosomes. It has to generate energy, for example synthesis of energy rich ATP by mitochondria. So a cell has to perform different functions. So these functions are performed by the membrane bound structures. Those are called cell organelles. Cell organelles, they are small organs of the cell and they are found embedded in the cytosol. ये छोटे organ होते हैं cell के cytosol में पाए जाते हैं. They form living part of the cell and each of them has a definite shape, structure and function. इनकी एक अलग शेप साइज फंक्शन होता है. ये डिफरेंट डेफिनेट शेप होती है इसकी. अगर हम एग्जांपल्स लेंगे माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया है, क्लोरोप्लास्ट्स, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, गोल्गी apparatus, लाइसोसोम्स, राइबोसोम्स, ये डिफरेंट सेल ऑर्गेनलीज जो सेल में पाए जाते हैं. एज larger or more evolved cells or cells from multicellular organisms, they have great deal of metabolic activities to support their complicated structure or function. To keep metabolic activities of different kinds separate from each other, cells have developed membrane bound organelles within themselves. So जो different organelles होते हैं cells में, ये separate होते हैं, इनकी अपनी एक membrane होती है. So they perform different functions. So let us take the first cell organelle, that is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Inside the cell there exists a membranous network enclosing a fluid-filled lumen which almost fills up the intracellular cavity. It is called endoplasmic reticulum. On the one end, endoplasmic reticulum is connected to the outer membrane of the nucleus and on the other एंड टू द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. जो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम एक सेल ऑर्गेनेल है, एक साइड से ये तो न्यूक्लियस के साथ इसकी एक मेम्ब्रेन जुड़ी होती है और दूसरे साइड में ये प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के साथ मतलब बाउंड है. ये इट occurs in three forms. Endoplasmic reticulum occurs in three forms, that is a cisternae, it is closed fluid filled sacs, then vesicles and tubules. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes attached on its surface for synthesizing proteins, then smooth endoplasmic reticulum which is without ribosomes and is meant for secreting lipids. So smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. rough endoplasmic reticulum में ribosomes attached होते हैं. smooth endoplasmic reticulum में राइबोसोम्स अटैच नहीं होते हैं. सो दे आर मेंट फॉर सिक्रेटिंग लिपिड्स. जो रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम है, दीज आर मेंट फॉर सिंथेसाइजिंग प्रोटीन्स. देन फंक्शंस ऑफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. सो endoplasmic reticulum provides a pathway for the distribution of nuclear material from one cell to other. इससे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल एक सेल से दूसरे सेल में. इट इज सपोर्टिंग, इट फॉर्म सपोर्टिंग स्केलेटल फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ द सेल. सर्टेन एंजाइम्स प्रेजेंट इन स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम सिंथेसाइज फैट्स, स्टेरॉइड्स एंड कोलेस्ट्रॉल. ये सिंथेसाइज करता है फैट्स, स्टेरॉइड्स, कोलेस्ट्रॉल. रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इज कंसर्न्ड विद द ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. Concerned with the transport of proteins which are synthesized by ribosomes on their surface. So there are some other functions of this endoplasmic reticulum. One is smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the process of detoxification. ये detoxification process में involve होता है. It metabolizes various toxic or poisonous substances such as drugs, aspirin, insecticides, petroleum products and pollutants. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays an important role in the biosynthesis of cholesterol. Hormones are either steroids or proteins. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes steroid hormones such as estrogen, testosterone, and cortisol. Enzymes are proteins. Digestive enzymes of lysosomes are produced by rough endoplasmic reticulum. So these are some functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Now another cell organelle which is found in cells, those are called ribosomes. Ribosomes, they are dense spherical and granular particles which occur freely in the matrix, that is cytosol, or remain attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Chemically, the major constituents of ribosomes are the ribonucleic acid and proteins. इसमें जो constituents होते हैं, that is RNA and proteins. और इसकी फंक्शन क्या है? जो राइबोसोम्स है, they play an important part in the synthesis of proteins. इसकी main function है, that is the synthesis of proteins. So they are composed of ribonucleic acids and proteins. So the main function of this ribosomes is to synthesize proteins. So here is the structure of this protein synthesis on the ribosome of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Here it is messenger RNA, this is ribosome here, this is large subunit, this is growing polypeptide endoplasmic membrane. So this is a protein synthesis on the ribosome of rough endoplasmic reticulum.